Hey guys, I hope you guys are having a good day. I just entered a sell trade with Nadex 5-minute binary option. I enter one sell contract at about 74 bucks. I was expecting the price to go down, and looks like it did. And I believe I exited or buy back the contract and made about 56 bucks. So more than double or close to double my risk. And I'm going to show you guys what I usually use to make sure that I have a good balanced risk and reward strategy. Alright, Nadex 5-minute price risk management. So this is one of the strategies that I use to make sure that I reserve my capital and get a favorable risk and reward. So what I did is I enter a sell contract right after the close of this bar here, and instead of enter the contract right away, I wait for the first, I don't know, 30 seconds to a minute for the price to move up a little bit, and my strike price is on this line here. I'll probably draw a line here. So this is my strike price. And with Nadex, you can take strike price, you know, up here, right here, down here, and so on. If you took the strike price right here, you're probably gonna have upside down risk and reward unless the price continue to go up. So I like to do from time to time, again, to wait for the first minute for the price to go up a little bit and take a strike price right around this area. And then also I use, you know, trend line support. In this case, this is just a Bollinger Band. When the price sort of hit this middle line, I exited the trade. In hindsight, I could probably close the contract and get the full reward, but I did exit the trade just in case if the price reacted to trend line support and so on. So to recap, there are three components of this strategy. First, time. Again, I would wait until and the price go up a little bit. If I want to enter a sell trade, and the opposite is true if you want to enter a buy trade. The second is strike price. You want to take the strike price that will at least give you 1-to-1 risk reward at minimum. And second is the exit strategy. You could wait until the time expired, and in hindsight, of course, you would win the whole amount, but in this case I just use certain support, trend line, indicator if you will, and then exit accordingly. From time to time, I do still take a strike price around this area. I don't usually feel good about it, but this is one of the strategies that I use to make sure that I have a balanced risk and reward. Alright, I hope you guys find this video useful, and I will talk to you soon.